Hi students, today we can study exercise 14.1 question number 5. What is question? In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in packing box. These boxes contain varying number of mangoes. The following was the distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. In here one table given. First column is number of mangoes and second column is number of boxes. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. We have to find out mean of given data. Now we can see this table. Number of mangoes 52, 52, then 53, 55, then 56 to 58. This class interval is not continuous. What is continuous? You can see 50, 52, then 52, 54. Upper limit of first class interval and lower limit of second class interval, that is 52, 52, should be equal. Then like that class interval is known as continuous class interval. But in here what? 52, this one. Then next number is 53, different number, isn't it? That means this is not continuous class interval. First we have to make that class interval continuous, then only we can do. In here also we can use any method. I am going to use step deviation method. By step deviation method, we can draw one table. First, number of mangoes, then next number of boxes, that take Fi, number of boxes. Make it continuous class interval. For that, this 50, I am not going to write 50, I am going to write 49.5. Then 52 means 52.5. Let's go to 1.5. Then again write 52.5. Then up to 55.5. Then again 55.5 to next number. Check it. In here 58 and 59. In between 58 and 59 we can write 58.5. Then write same 58.5 to the next 61 and 62, isn't it? In between 61 and 62, which number? That is 61.5. And write 61.5, same number. 64.5. Now 52.5, again 52.5, 55.5, 55.5. Now this class interval is continuous. Now we can write frequency also. 15, then 110, then 135, then 115, and last 25. Mid value xi. In between 49.5 and 52.5, which number? Check it. 49.5 plus 52.5 divided by 2. If you add 49.5 plus 52.5, you will get 102. Divided by 2, you will get 51. 51. Then in between 52.5 to 55.5, that will be 54. Then In between 55.5 and 58.5 is 57. Then 58.5 and 61.5, you will get 60. And 61.5 to 64.5. In middle, which number? You will get 63. Use same method. Just add lower limit and upper limit, divide by 2. Then we can take any number as assumed mean. I am going to take 57. Then that will be ui. We can write ui equal to, that will be 0. Then minus 1. This will be minus 2. 1, 2. ui, we can write xi minus a divided by h. That formula also. uifi. Next column. Multiple ui and fi. Fi means 15 into minus 2, minus 30. 110 into minus 1, minus 110. 135 into 0, 0. 115 into 5, 1, 1, 5. 25 into 2, 50. Then sum of ui fi equal to, first add this negative number 30 plus 110. You will get 140. Okay, negative. Then add this positive numbers 115 plus 50, 165. Then after we can subtract 165, then minus 140. What will you get? You will get 25 plus 25. Then add this frequency 5 into 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, the remainder 2. Then 1, 2, 5, then 6, 8, 10, the remainder 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 400. You get n equal to 400. Then we can write what are things in here. Given here h equal to, h means class width, 52.5 minus 49.5. What will get? 52.5 minus 49.5. Take it. 52.5, 49.5. Subtract 0. And 12 minus 9, 3. Okay, nothing. We'll get 3, isn't it? H will be 3. Then A. A already we took 57. Then sum of UIFI, that is 25. N is 400. We got all the values, and we can use that formula by step deviation method. Mean x bar equal to, what is formula? Formula is A plus sum of I equal to 1 to n ui fi divided by n into h. Give all the values. A, what is A? Assumed mean, that is 57. Sum of ui fi is 25. Divided by n. N means now total number of frequency. N is 400 into h. H is 3. There, this to cancel. In 400, how many times 25? If you divide, you will get 16. Check it. 400, 25. 1 time 25, then 5, then in here remaining 3. In 150, 6 into 25, you will get 150. That means 16. Then take LCM. What will be LCM? LCM will be 16. Then 57 into 16 plus remaining here 3 only. Then multiple 57 into 16. 57 into 16. 6 into 7, 42. 4. Then 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. 1 into 7, 7. 1 into 5, 5. 2. 4 plus 7, 11. Then 3 plus 5, 8. Plus 1. Plus 1 more 3 divided by 16. If you add 912 plus 3, 915 divided by 16. You can divide this 915 divided by 16. In 90, first we can see in 90, how many times? 5. 5 into 16 is 80. Then 115. 115. In 115, how many times 16? You will get 100. 7 times 42, 4, 7, 11. 112. Then 3, or 1 0, 1 point. In 30, 1 time, that time 16, 4, 1. In 140, 8 times, 8, then 4. Then 2, 1. Then in 127 times, 7, 42, then 4. 57.1. This 8, 9. The 8 we can write 9. 9 goes. Because third number, after point, third number more than 5 means this 8 become extra 1. That will be 9. That is our answer, 57.19. Now we can see question number 6. The table shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 in a locality. One table given in here. Daily expenditure given 150 for house, then 152, 205, like that. Find the mean daily expenditure on food by suitable method. We can use any method in here. Now in here also we can use step deviation method. Solution by step deviation method. First, expenditure. In second column, number of houses. That is Fi. Then expenditure we can write first. In between 100 150 is 125. Then 150 and 200 175. 200 250 225. In 250 300 275. Then 300 350 325. then ui means xi minus h, xi minus a divided by h. What is a? Which number you will use? We can use this 225 is a assumed mean. Then this will be 0, then just upside minus 1, minus 2. 1, 2. ui fi. Multiple ui and fi, that is 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 12 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Sum of UIFI, then 8 plus, that is 13, minus 13. Then 2 plus 4, 6. If you do 6 minus 13, you will get 7, minus 7. What is n? N means sum of frequency. Just start. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. A remainder 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. N will be 25. Now we can write here h equal to class width 150 minus 100 equal to 150 minus 100, you will get 50. Then a equal to, a already we took 225. Then sum of UIFI equal to minus 7. N equal to 25. Now we can use that formula. Mean x bar equal to a plus sum of I equal to 1 to n ui fi divided by n into h. 1, 1, 2. 211. Then we can write rupees 211 our mean. Now we can see question number 7. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm, the data was collected from 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. In here one table they are given. Find the mean concentration of SO2 in air. We have to find out mean. And then in here also we can use step deviation method. By step deviation method, first we can make table concentration of SO2. Concentration of SO2 in ppm, then frequency. Then 0.002, 0.04, frequency is 4. Then 0.042, 0.08, frequency is 9. 0.082, 0.12, 9. 0.122, 0.16, 2. 0.162, 0.204, 0.202, 0.242. Then mid value xi, that means in between 0.00 and 0.04 is 0.2. Then next, take it 4 and 8. In between 4 and 8, 6, isn't it? Then add 1 point and 0. Then 8 and 12, that will be 10. 1 point. After point, we need always two numbers. In here two numbers, in here also two numbers, in here also two numbers. Then 12 and 16, 14, that means 0.14. In here also after point, two numbers. Then 16 and 20, 18, 0.18. Then 20 and 24, 22, 0.022. Then you can take any number as assumed mean. I took in here 0.14. Then ui equal to xi minus a divided by h. What will do? In here what will write? 0, isn't it? I need to calculate anything. Everything like that will be 0. This one is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. In here 1, 2. If you are using by this formula also, you will get same number only, not difference. Then UIFI. UIFI, that is 4 into minus 3, minus 12. Then 9 into minus 2, minus 18. Then after 9 into minus 1, minus 9. Then 2 into 0, 0. Then 4 into 1, 4. Then 2 into 2, 4. Sum of UIFI. What you will get? Check it. Just add negative numbers. 12 plus 18 plus 9. 12 plus 18 plus 9. 2 plus 8, 10, 19, remainder 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, minus 39. Then positive numbers, 4 plus 4, 8. Then 8 minus 39, you will get minus 31. Minus 31. Then frequency, add all the frequency, 4 plus 9, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 2, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, 28 plus 2, 30. Now we got n equal to 30. Here h equal to class width, that means 0.04 minus 0.00 from first term. Otherwise, from here also you can find out 0.12 minus 0.08. Anywhere you will get 0.04. There is 1 0 only, nothing else, isn't it? Then same number, 0.04. Then n equal to 30. A equal to 0.14. Then sum of UI Fi equal to minus 30. I equal to 1, 2. Now we can use that formula, mean x bar equal to, what is formula? A plus sum of UIFI divided by n into h. Step deviation method. Then all the values apply in here. A equal to 0.04, 0.14 minus UIFI is minus 31 divided by N is 30 into H 0.04 0.14 plus into minus minus. We can multiple this 31 and 0.04. 31 into 4 12. 1 2 4 after point 2 number divide by 30. 0.14 minus divide 124 1.24 divided by 30. 1 divided by 30 cannot, isn't it? Then what? Point. Then take 12. In 12 also not possible. Take, if you take 12 also not possible, that's why add 1 0. In 124 4 times 120. Then 4 here nothing, add 1 0 in 40 1 time 30. Then 1 0 again, one more 0, then you will get 3. 0.01413. Subtract 0.14, then 0.0413, add 1. What will get? In here 10 minus 3 7 9 minus 1 8. In here 3 are remaining, 3 minus 4 we cannot, then 13 minus 4 9, then in here 0 you will get 0.09. This 8 we can write as 9 because this number 7 more than 5 means it became 9. Unit is ppm. That is our answer.